and gentlemen, hello. I've returned after a very long hiatus. I don't even know what to say. I feel like once again an absent father whose child just got an MBA contract. But you know, I'm here. Got the milk and I came back. Anyway, well, if you've watched this channel, you should know this car. But if you're new, this is a 2020. No, it's a 2019. No, it's not 19. It's a TLX is a 19. This is a 2021 Acura RDX A-Spec. Is a 2-liter turbocharged inline 4, making 272 horsepower. Wow, made a major mess up there. Cause my car is right-hand drive, so I'm used to the lights being over here. But I just turned on the wipers by mistake. But it's okay, it's fine. All-wheel drive. I mentioned the horsepower figure already. Very nice place to be. You've probably seen a mirror and the hood. This car is in Apex Blue Pearl. That's what Acura calls it, Apex Blue, and got red guts in here. But yeah, I was playing Deftones. I don't know if you can see that, but I was jamming out. Apparently my girlfriend thinks that's like, there's a certain mood for Deftones, but you know, Deftones is just like Deftones, you know. And the mood she thinks for Deftones is not the same as my mood for Deftones. If I want to like play some music and like scream a little bit, then yeah, it's the mood. But yeah, look at the traffic to come out of town. Look at all of that yellow Ford Ranger. You're welcome. I'm talking to a very specific person. Well, maybe people, but yeah, a very specific person. Point out all the yellow cars I see. Because I love yellow, but a few people I know, well, a couple of people I know don't like yellow. They hate yellow. They haven't been enlightened to the beauty of yellow on a car. And I stand firm in my belief that yellow is a beautiful color on a car. Now, there is such thing as a bad yellow, but a good yellow can look good on a car. Also yellow, a good yellow can look amazing on a car. Imagine Ferrari yellow, Lotus Elise yellow, beautiful. C6, C7 Corvette, beautiful in yellow. Yellow looks amazing. Now, the F-Series F80 to F82, F83, M3/4, Austin yellow. Amazing, gorgeous color. And what's in the name? Yellow. And they look gorgeous, okay? Yellow is such a good color. I don't understand the hate. I do not understand the yellow hate. It's unjustified. Yellow's a beautiful color. Now, I may be in the minority here, but my unpopular opinion about colors is I do not like red. Now that may sound strange coming from somebody who owns a red car, but I do not like red on cars. Red to me is kind of a basic color for me for cars. It's this car is quick. I like it. The drawback though is this car for SUV is very small inside. Like practicality wise, I much prefer my Outback. But speed, power. I am speed. Yeah, I much prefer the power in this car. My dinky little EJ25, my dinky little 2.5 liter, 170 horsepower. That translates to about 120 something at the wheel. Oh lord! But this almost 20 something horsepower shy of 300, turbocharged. I can get behind that. But yeah, drawback in Jamaica, I see this left-hand drive, so you gotta like do this to do anything. You gotta I gotta like inch out the car to the right a little bit to see around. but apart Pusha Cayenne Coupe. I know exactly who I did that for. Anyway, under the bridge, S300L AMG badge. If that's not a weird spec, who are the S300 long wheelbase? That's weird. That is weird. That's also odd. That's an E-Class on Steelies. That's another odd spec. Like, you ordered a brand new E-Class with Steelies on it. Not exactly Steelies, but look at them. They're kind of Steelies. If you think about the styling. That's $30 million right there. Anyway, that's my dad's car's twin. There's some, wow, there's a lot of curb brush on the wheels. Oof.
It's recording? Yeah. Hi guys.
Yeah.
Now we're sitting in traffic. Dun dun dun.
Why was your phone dead?
There must have been an angel by my side.
Copyright.
Really?
Oh, sorry guys.
Yeah, I can't play that.
Mo. Great stuff. I'm just trying to chop it on my head. I cannot.
Too much hair.
Just had some specimen over there. Yeah. Just had some specimen over there, guys.
Alright, these gentlemen.
Oi, here's my going to have some
What?
water.
No, what is? Hey, bar.
You see?
What? What?
You passed, you pointed at the car when it already passed me. Just like how I always point
You
at the
was
yellow car.
over there.
It was no.
It was
It
down
passed me
there.
already.
Alright, I'm sorry.
Just as when I point to the yellow car, I was like, Alex, look.
It's deep into a parking lot. That was in oncoming traffic. That's a whole
Look
lot
at me
easier to
right
see.
now.
Alright.
Cool. Okay, bully pins. Love you.
58.
Huh?
58. DSG Golf.
I'm going to. I am going to. You see, when the next time I want to fart, I'm going to fart right here.
In my face?
Yes.
In my face. In my face.
You bet you on my face already.
Not in person.
Yes.
What?
Yes.
No. No.
Go on.
Where are we going again?
Serious.
Where are we going? No, bring it home with me back, son. Beep. Are we good? Are you good? Where are you? Okay.
Are you sure we did your bill? Yes. And the one that bully you for come out of the road. We make it together.
Oh, yeah.
He called you a baddie man.
He did?
Yes, he did.
Oh, wow. What?
What?
What did you say?
I said, go on, but again.
Okay.
Watch him.
Isn't that you, though?
Which one? I'm with you. Are
The
you calling yourself
pot
a transmission?
Calling the kettle
Are you
black.
calling yourself a transmission?
Alright, stud.
Are you
Okay, stud. Remember?
And then you say I shouldn't laugh when you almost drop.
You almost dropped though? You sound like the feel good ink intro. That's what you sound like. Look at you belly laughing. See a cough? Of a choke? Catch your breath. Catch your breath. Breathe. Breathe, bro. Breathe.
Are you wearing the same color shirt like we were in Pop where you almost dropped? My chest.
You can breathe now? Can I finally finish what I turned the camera on to do now? Can I finally finish?
Okay, well,
For the love of God. Anyway. Alright, ladies and gentlemen.
okay.
I am returning. When was that?
Home.
Hold on, no.
Okay.
5 hours later. It is now nightfall. I'm gonna catch this green light. I don't know.
No.
This is the major road. I will. Or not really missed it. Well, I didn't miss it. I caught it. But anyway. You see my number one bully over
That
here
is
in the passenger
Eli.
seat. Look me in my eyes and say I'm lying.
You're lying.
Okay. Alright. Anyway. But anyway, I have the fit of laughter on camera. So basically proof.
Nice.
Anyway.
Lies.
Lies?
Lies.
You lie!
Liar.
Liar!
You lie.
You lie!
You lie. Liar.
Alright. Anyway, I'm gonna see y'all later.
Catch you later, alligator.
I'll see y'all in like a week or 2 weeks
Or
or
a month.
I realize I'm basically Frank Oceaning y'all with these videos. Like I drop, I disappear, I drop
Like an
again.
NBA dad.
I literally introed the video with that. I said like
Mind meld.
a dad whose son got an NBA contract, but anyway, I got the milk and I'm back. I literally introed the video
Every
with
time
that.
there's something major.
Yeah.
here.
I'll be there.
Yeah.
I'll be there. I'll be there.
I'll be there.
Yeah, so yeah. I'll see y'all later, okay?
Bye bye.